this video, I will explain you how to create a new user in the database. Only application administrator can set up user and its access right. To create a new user, go to Administration, click on Users from the master data. You'll find the list of valid users in this page. By default, when a database is available or provided, a user is kept created with full access, and you can add new users by using Create option. To create a new one, click on Create option and add all required and relevant data in the fields. Let's begin filling up the data. In the full name field, enter a username. This name will be used in the documents. The not valid checkbox is cleared for all the users by default. If a user is no longer working with the application for any reason, yet cannot be deleted from the system due to the transactions available or due to being referenced by other applied objects, it is recommended you select the not valid checkbox for them. Enter the short name under the field login, which will be used. Enter application login password, which has to be used to log into the application. Confirm the password again. Select Show in List to have the users displayed in the selection list available at the application start. Select User cannot change password if you want to block a user from changing their password. Enable the option Open ID Authentication when working with 1C Enterprise Web Client. It allows user to use a unified logon protocol. Enable the option OS Authentication to allow the users to log on to the database without using the username and password. Add the language of the application interface from the available language, that is either English or Russian. Once all the relevant fields are filled, click on Save option to save the user. A user can access the application only after the access rights are granted. To provide access rights, click on the access right from the navigational panel. A page with all default rights and profiles will be available. Access to more than one profile can be provided to one user. Beside the default access right, view rights can be customized as per the user's requirement by a first-bit technical team. If you want users to have limited access based on the data area, you will be able to enable the option Limit Access on Record Levels from Administration, Service Settings. Access kind will be provided to the users. This access kind can be used when you would like to allow users to access specific kind. For example, in case more than two entities are there, a user can be provided access to view the documents of one entity and other can be restricted or blocked. Any access kind can be set up in two ways, that is all allowed or all restricted. An exception can be added at the values. If all allowed in the access value are chosen, add the exception in the bottom under the box of restricted values. In case of all restricted is used, add the exception in the bottom under the allowed values. Once the access is set, click on Save and Close to save the changes. It will take you to the main page of the user creation. Click on Save to have the access rights added to the user. User can log in with the username and the password set. Thank you for watching the video.